Greeting you, ladies and gentlemen. You are watching Daily Market Review from Grand Capital. My name is Slava Ismailova. Today, as usually, we are going to start with our first currency pair, Euro US dollar. Weakness towards 1.2711 and 1.2682 is expected as resistance at 1.281 and remains intact. Tuesday's high at 1.281 defends the January 13th bearish outside day high at 1.2879 and Euro bears seek a daily close below 1.2737 in order to temper the bullish divergences appearing on the daily MACD and slow stochastic indicators. Support at 1.2682 and 1.2669 shield the January 13th 16th month low at 1.2624. Solid resistance at 1.2909 needs to be broken in order to put Euro bulls in control. Weekly chart, Euro US dollar trend is bearish. The next currency pair is US dollar Japanese yen. The setback from 76.85 is looking to retrace the entire rally of Tuesday's low at 76.55. Monday's high at 77.14 has already been confirmed as a lower high, as there is downside scope for 76.46, and the January 2nd spike low at 76.3 on a break below 76.55. Only a recovery above 76.85 would negate the US dollar bearish outlook, opening 77. Weekly chart, US dollar Japanese yen trend is range. The next currency pair is Great Britain pound US dollar. A setback towards the January 13th reaction low at 1.5235 is on the cards. After the 1.5404, 1.5425 resistance area remains resolute. Dominant Great Britain pound pairs are likely to keep former range lows at 1.5425 intact, and a push below 1.5284 would bring the last week's spike low at 1.5235 back into the picture. A 3-year support line at 1.5135 and Fibonacci targets at 1.5035 remain downside objectives for this week. Weekly chart, Great Britain pound US dollar trend is bearish. The next currency pair is US dollar Swiss franc. This pair continues to consolidate within a bullish continuation pattern between 0.9407 and 0.9595. Tuesday's low at 0.9448 is under threat, but downside risk is expected to be contained by the 0.9407 range floor before US dollar bulls organize a renewed attack on 0.9595. The recently completed bull pennant pattern on the daily chart highlights the dominant underlying US dollar bull tone, and a recovery above 0.9525 would open the 0.9595 peak again. Weekly chart, US dollar Swiss franc trend is bullish. And the last currency pair for today is Australian dollar US dollar. The corrective Australian dollar wave of Tuesday is 1.0452 is threatening to push below support at 1.0375. The 1.0354 low would come under fresh pressure, and scope for corrective weakness would then be created to the 1.03 area. However, only below 1.03 would question the broad Australian dollar bull trend. A push above 1.0407 and 1.0425 is required to open the 1.0452 high again, challenging a 2-month bear resistance line and threatening an uptrend extension towards 1.0479. Weekly chart, Australian dollar US dollar trend is bullish. You have watched Daily Market Review with me, Slava Ismailova. See further details on our site, grandcapital.net. I'm wishing you good trade and see you later.